Here at Busted Helmet Racing, we are super excited to introduce our new switch panel for the Wildcat XX. So the big problem with the stock switch on the Wildcat XX is, while it's easy to go into four-wheel drive, it's very awkward to try to activate the mechanical lockout and get the lockers engaged. This is even worse if you have a mobility issue with your right hand, or if you're wearing gloves like if you're in a race. This is our mini switch panel. The panels are all laser cut, and all switches are marine grade, fully sealed Carling switches. To activate the system, turn the key on, and now you're able to engage four-wheel drive. With four-wheel drive engaged, the locker engage switch illuminates, indicating that it is available. If you engage the front locker, the disengage button now illuminates, indicating that it is available. To disengage the system, you have two choices. You can use the disengage for the locker only, which will put you back into four-wheel drive, or if you just push down and hit two-wheel drive again, the entire system disengages in a safe and controlled way.